welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll discuss about skills that you can sell as a freelancer. So we don't waste time, let's start. Number 1, video editing. Today world, everyone watch the videos, so we don't deny the importance of video editing. It's a high in demand skill. I think there are a lot of jobs for video editor on freelancing platform. So selling your services of video editing on freelancing platform, I think it's great. Our next skill set is graphic design. Everyone see memes, everyone see advertisement, and I think everybody need graphics. So it's also a great way to start as a freelancer. The third thing is article writing. Everyone write articles. We read it on medium.com, blogspot and other sites. So if you are good in writing and creative in writing, you can carry out it as a profession on different freelancing platforms. Our next skill is SEO, ASO. SEO for search engine optimization, ASO for app search optimization, and these skills are very high in demand because every business needs these skills. Like SEO is for ranking in Google, and ASO is for ranking in Play Store, ranking a app in Play Store or App Store. So there are also a lot of tutorials on YouTube for how to do SEO and ASO. So you can learn from that and give the services to the different companies and businesses to earn some handsome amounts. One next skill is web designing and development. Web designing and development, as we know, it's very high in demand because everyone need a website. If it is a business or if it is a user, everyone need website. And the web designing and development have 3 phases. Firstly, web designing have in web designing you have to design user interface through Adobe XD, Sketch, Figma and other tools, and then there will be a second phase. In second phase you have to develop a front end through the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and other frameworks, and then the third phase is web development. In web development there will be a backend functionality where how site works, like what is the mechanism of the site. It will done through the different sites, different languages like PHP, Python and other frameworks like Coordinator and different Node.js, Angular. There are a lot of languages that you can learn from the YouTube videos and courses. Number 6 skill is accounting. Accounting is high in demand skill. It's boring, but it's highly in demand skill. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, jobs in accounting are in demand. Approximately 135,000 jobs opening for accountant and auditors are projected each year on average from 2020 to 2030. I think it's a great way to start with the accounting. Next skill is app development. App development have a lot of potential because everyone use on daily basis different apps. In app development there are a lot of tools that we use to develop the app, like Flutter, Android Studio and Unity for game development, and it also have a lot of potential, and there are a lot of freelancing work on freelancing platforms. So if you go with this skill, this is the best way to succeed, I think. It's somehow technical, but it's worth a lot, and it requires effort, but in return you will get a handsome amount. Our next skill is digital marketing. Digital marketing have many shapes like Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, LinkedIn marketing, Twitter marketing. So there are a lot of tutorials and courses on YouTube how to learn digital marketing, and Majority of companies and e-commerce stores need digital marketing to promote their products and services and to boost their sales. So I think the digital marketing also good to go. uh, Number 9, there is another opportunity that you can avail, that is voiceover artist. There are a lot of jobs on freelancing platform for voiceover artists, because every company need voiceover for their promotional video and promotional animations. Like they need voiceover for every video and every animation to promote their products. In return, if you give them a voiceover, in return they pay you an handsome amount. I think it's a pretty cool way to earn as a freelancer. Our next skill set is online tutoring, online courses. If you have teaching experience, you can teach students online, and you have to create courses. I follow a lot of entrepreneurs who make millions from selling their courses online. Like they create their courses and selling them on Udemy and Skillshare, and generate millions of dollars. Our next skill set is ebook writing. Ebook writing is not like article writing, it's like you are writing a book that will sell online. There are a lot of jobs on freelancing platform for ebook writing. With the passage of time, if you think you are good in it, then you will write a book and sell it on Amazon Kindle and other platforms. I think it's a great way to generate a passive income, and it's a highly paid skill. It's require more effort than article writing. These are some skills. There is a lot of benefit to learn. Hopefully you like my video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get my next video. Okay, bye bye.